Take your nerve and calm your mind. Keep in a line so you can't decline. If you mix it to the peanut, everything in the body have to steam up. Every straight have to clean up, every dirt you have to clean up.
It's good for the young.
Yes.
It's good for the old.
Yes.
Yes. It's good for the baby 9 years old. Yes, man.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Montpelier Agricultural Show returned today, and I was there to witness it. Of course, I have some beautiful highlights for you from the natural cane juice man and the lady with the old-time Jamaican duckonnu, the beautiful talking parrot, and the 2,000-pound bull.
How are you, sir?
We also ran into two gorgeous Rasta sisters who had some very interesting products to share. Then I finish off with a refreshing paw punch from Ms Portia, the natural juice lady, who turned out to be one of my biggest fans on this channel. So yes, we met in person. I'm going to share all that and more with you right now. If not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I have a lot of videos touching stuff like these, events like these. I call it the real Jamaican. I don't want to miss any of that. So if not yet done, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go into it. I ran into a man from my neck of the woods. My kind of stuff. This is all cane trash, you know, we call it cane trash. This is Mr.
Yes, man.
This is Mr.
Melvin Jones.
Melvin Jones from
Newmarket, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man.
And your brand is just
a juice, cane juice.
Just a juice, cane juice.
Because you can see, as you can see, it's just a do it.
Yeah.
No stale nothing.
Fresh.
No last night.
Yeah.
No yesterday.
Yeah.
Just a do it.
Just a do it.
Yes.
Okay.
No sugar added.
No sugar added.
No water.
Yes.
No preservative.
Yes.
It's
No
good,
additive.
It's good for the young.
Yes.
It's good for the old.
Yes.
Yes. It's good for the baby 9 years old. Yes, man.
Original. Alright. So,
Original.
what make your cane juice taste? You would say your cane juice are the best cane juice, right?
Alright.
What make it special?
My cane juice now. I make sure wash my cane.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And what I do now, I try to plant my cane.
Yeah.
And what I do, I reap the ripe one.
Yeah.
I don't just, if the cane big and fat,
Yeah.
it must ripe.
Yeah.
When the cane ripe,
Yeah.
it's really certain maturity.
Yeah.
It change color,
Yeah.
it blow arrow,
Uh-huh.
right? And it's sweet.
Ah.
Yes.
So you have a science to it?
Yes. Right? And then now I use a little ginger
Yeah.
to flavor my thing.
Ah, right.
So I'll tell you that my cane juice now, you know, see it?
all
And
right.
what I do is just from the machine
Yeah.
to the fridge.
Yeah. If person want to contact it locally and they want to get some fresh cane juice, how they can, you have a number or something?
Yes, man. My number is 280-99-79.
Okay.
But you can find me at Newmarket.
Yeah.
But the market.
New market in St. Elizabeth?
Yes.
All right.
I am here 6 days a week.
Monday to Saturday?
No. From Sunday
To Friday?
Friday.
All right.
Saturday we don't work.
So, just, what you call it? Just a juice?
Just a juice, cane juice.
All right.
Yes,
Are you a Rasta man, right?
Yes, brother.
Okay.
Yes, man. And the spot. You know?
All right, all right.
sir.
Pick up yourself, pick up yourself.
Nice.
Original cane juice guy,
Yes,
original
man.
cane juice.
Yes, as you can see. So with juice here, we filter him right here. And the juice go down there, so now.
Ah.
See the juice there, so?
All right.
See?
Everything well clean and well organized.
Well organized.
All right, so the
And
juice.
we back him up and sell him just like that.
Yes, yes,
Yes, man.
Fat machine you have that too, man.
Good machine, man. Not a bad one, a good machine. Yes, man.
All right, then.
All right.
Oh, and by the way, guys, this is some wet sugar too. Remember wet sugar? We have this wet sugar here. I am told it's from the same gentleman I did the video with. There's a link in the description with that. The wet sugar, man, the wet sugar. So them guys have everything here, man. Lovely, lovely. Jamaica and show for real. This is mine. Are you so kind to me today? Thank you. Alright guys, so this is it. It's just a juice. Cane juice. Alright guys, so we run into a interesting gentleman here. Him see me on YouTube. So I want him on promotion. What do you have here? What's your name, sir?
My name is Alfred Malcolm. Otherwise you call me Java Plum.
Java Plum. Why they call it Java Plum?
Because it's Java Plum. I farm and I have a factory. I manufacture the Java Plum. I make Java Plum jam. I make Java plum wine.
Uh-huh.
And I also make the tea. The tea from the Java plum.
All right.
And the Java plum tea been helping the diabetic patients them.
Uh-huh.
And the wine helping the men them that going down the road.
Uh-huh.
So helping them to come up back.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
I see.
And the jam, I make the jam especially for children. I want them to grow on it.
So this is everything Java plum.
Yes, this is.
So tell me, I don't know what is Java plum, and a lot of people watching now don't know what is Java plum. Tell me a little about what it is. A Jamaican fruit?
No, it is. I see it in West Africa.
Ah.
That's Java plum.
So it's a fruit?
It's like it's in the cranberry farm in the family of cranberry.
Okay.
So it's beer like coffee, like guinea.
Oh, like small
in
seeds.
a bunch.
Okay.
And you pick it like how you pick coffee.
Uh-huh.
And it is very healthy.
So you dry it as well, and then you can crush it as well.
Well, I extract the juice from it.
Uh-huh.
And I make the juice. I make the juice from it. I have the juice over here.
Uh-huh.
And make it all natural.
All natural.
Yeah, so the juice got to go on the ice.
Ah, I see.
Right, the juice go on the ice.
All right, so the main health, so this is Java plum, this is something a little novel. And the main health benefits of Java plum is what? Why should person buy Java plum product?
It helps everything in the body what should not in there.
Oh.
Diabetic person, like I know somebody in Clarendon that take 2 cups from the tea.
Yeah.
And when he go to the doctor, the next day, the doctor tell him it's the first thing come in front of him so healthy.
Wow.
Gentleman run out of doctor office and go order 3 more from me on the phone.
Oh, wow.
And running back and he stopped take doctor medic.
Oh, wow. Powerful,
yes.
Powerful testimony.
He he diabetic and have complication. And taking 7 tablets per day. So he stopped taking tablets now and he's taking the tea.
You're a Java plum, so you grow the tree.
Yes.
And you harvest
manufacture it.
Yes, you turn it into products and byproducts and whatever it is.
Exactly.
All right. Okay. Excellent. So I want millions of people to be watching this video. Tell them how they can get your product. You say this is the best thing since sliced bread. So let me tell them now, man. Tell them they're here, they're watching you. How they can get your product, how they can contact you.
Well, my number is 382-9407 and a couple of local shops have it. It's at Rada in Montego Bay, it's at Iron Shore, it's in Ochurias, but I can't tell now the name of the places them.
Okay.
But you could get it from me anywhere in the world it is.
Okay, good. And, excellent. And there's a link, guys, in the description with his phone number as well. You can reach him as well as an email address. All right.
Yeah.
It's on the product.
Yes.
But it's in the description as well. So
yes.
If you miss the number, that's in there. So what's your name again?
Alfred Malcolm.
Malcolm.
You could just type in Java plum and you get me. And if you type in my name, Alfred Malcolm, you'll get me.
All right.
Here.
Pick up the Java plum man at the Montpelier Agricultural Show, guys. All right. Oh, you give me one. All right, big up the wine. I can't drink like one time, right?
No, if you have it small amount when you go into your bed at night, it works very well. It will work for you like it work for me.
All right, don't say no.
Somebody have birthday here today, this is for them. I always go out and want somebody have birthday for the day, just carry approve.
Yes.
And this is for them.
Oh, big up yourself, man. All right, my brother, bless it. All right, run into another beautiful lady here. Who is this though?
I'm Madge Wright Corniff from Seston Hills, Nature's Beauty and Delight.
Where is that?
We are located in Cocoon Castle.
Where is that? Kingston?
Cocoon Castle is in Hanover.
Hanover, okay. And what do you have here today?
So I'm a farmer. So I have bush cabbage, I have kale. I also do castor oil, I do coconut oil.
All right, well, let me see what the castor oil you have there and the coconut oil now. What is this one? What's the difference between this is is that cold press?
No, this is a Jamaican boiled castor oil.
But that's the castor oil or coconut oil?
Coconut oil. This is boiled.
Okay. So this is homemade.
These are homemade. Yes.
Okay. And why should people buy your products and buy it off the shelf regular?
Well, Sesame Hills castor oil and coconut oil. You know, it's good for the skin, it rejuvenates the skin, and it's all natural.
All natural.
No, nothing added, no salt, nothing added, just naturally great for the skin, it rejuvenates the skin.
Tell me something, people have been talking about salt. Why people put salt in there? You know why?
I don't know why people would put salt
Or
in
it's just a
castor oil.
rumor?
Some people do. It's been said that they put the salt to get a better yield from the oil. I'm not sure.
Okay. All right, well, pick up yourself, Miss
Madge.
Madge. And if person wants to buy your product, how can they get in touch with you?
Contact me
Remember,
at-
people all over the world is watching right now. Tell them, man.
Okay, my number is 864-9360. That's 876-864-9360.
Miss Madge and our castor oil and coconut oil.
Yes.
All right, Miss Madge, pick up.
And green vegetable.
I am vegetable. All right.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Maroon Town being accepted by Mr. Cook.
All right, guys. So there's a gentleman. We're selling
Sour
some
seed, my name. Sour seed.
sour seed.
Yeah, man, this is the mad gun tonic wine. Set your nerve and calm your mind. Keep in the line so you can't decline. If you mix it to the peanut, everything in the body have to steam up. Every straight have to clean up. Every dirt you have to clean up. Yeah, man, check it out. And the roads for the youths. And stronger for longer.
Okay, so we're moving on.
But like, yeah, how can people get your
All right,
product?
you can. There's a number on it too. I can't tell you the number. You know.
Yeah.
The number is 876-806-9888. You know what I mean?
876.
Yeah, man.
People from all over the world watching.
All over the world can get the same way if they want it.
Repeat the number for me.
The number is 876
Place.
806-9888.
The roots,
So
man. The tonic, man.
9888. Yeah, man.
All right, original Jamaican tonic,
Yeah,
man.
man. Maroon Town is to do.
Ah,
You know
big
what I
up.
mean?
Up,
Yeah, man.
up,
Big
up.
up.
All
Bless
right,
it.
yeah. So this is the 4-H booth. This is the 4-H for St. James?
Western region.
Western region. So you're big, man.
St. James.
So you're big.
Yeah.
Westmoreland, St. James, Hanover.
Hanover and Chillon.
Okay, all right. So you talk big. So let me hear what you have here. Who's gonna talk?
All right, so Jamaica 4-H Club, of course, we are celebrating our 82nd anniversary this year. And of course, we are different, we are diverse. So here we have with us Leon Maxwell. He is a youth farmer from St. James. And as you see, he specializes in ginger and pineapples. Of course, other cash crops, so he has his peas and nutmeg. We also have here some sea moss, which was done by a youth agro-processor. It's not right here right now. But he sent his stuff. So you would realize that there's a youth arm to our organization.
Well, at least you're promoting youth.
Right, so
Okay,
youth
good.
in agriculture, that's 4-H.
Okay.
Right? We have our general display right over there. So we have school garden, we have the eggs, which came from a school garden. Right? So
All right, pick up
that's
the school, man. Which school?
Opal High School. So
Tell
big
them,
up
man.
Opal High School. Always with 4-H, always doing stuff
Okay,
with 4-H.
good. These are the eggs here, guys. The eggs here.
eggs, right.
And them big too. Wow.
Yes,
all
lovely
right.
eggs and the cabbage came from their crop produce.
Okay.
Our general display, things kind of slowing up now because we sell off most of the stuff. We have banana, plantains, cabbage, sweet pepper, tomatoes, string bean, hot peppers, yam, all of those things, jelly coconut, coming from our 4-H training centers where we train young people in good farm practices.
Awesome.
And then our agro-processing items over there you might can grab. We have our coconut oil. Our Miss Cart, could you take the coconut oil over here please? And our castor oil. We have our nice cold pressed coconut oil. Our castor oil, and my hand is waiting on a bottle of honey. A bottle of honey from 4-H. And this is our honey. These are what we process in Dembe, Clarendon. Right? Outside of that we do jams and jelly training because if we don't do food security, you know, very soon we won't have food.
I agree.
Right? So we preserve food so it enhances the shelf life, so we have it when it's out of season.
There's a gentleman. Let me put it to you. I did a video recently with a gentleman. A lot of people watch it, over 100,000.
Yes.
The gentleman is a little old man in the country, Mr. Mac and Miss Junie.
Right.
And they have a lot of apples, 80 apples. They have about, I think maybe like 8 or 15 trees or something like that.
Right.
But they're just on a big piece of property and they just ripe and fall to the ground.
So
what can he do? What can 4-H do for him?
Out of eating apple topping.
What topping? What you mean?
Topping, so the same
Like
way you
jam?
have your strawberry toppings,
Yeah.
the filling, cherry pie filling, so you can make your out of eating apple pie fillings.
Oh, so
Right,
like a jam
and
like, right?
right. So it's this filling. So it is jelly-like. You can use it in your pie. You can use it in your tarts. You can use it to top your cakes, your puddings. Right. Even if you make a fritter
Yeah.
At home in the morning and you want a little sweet cake, your pancakes, it can be on it.
So you teach people how to do these things?
Of course we do.
Oh, alright, so tell everybody watching now where you can be contacted, and if they need the services, or if they need training or whatever they need, how to reach you.
So once you're a youth between the ages of 5 to 35, 4-H is here to assist you in agriculture and agriculture related areas. So you want to know how to make, for example, the Otaiti apple topping, approach us and we'll provide a training for a group of 10 or more. All you need to do, you can find us on Facebook, you can find us on YouTube, or for the Western region, visit our office, Rada Complex, Kitchener, Montego Bay.
Awesome.
And you'll find us.
Awesome, thank you. I want to find out, you said this man has been featured, the youth farmer, because he does ginger and pineapple. So tell me why were you featured, sir? What made you so special?
I'm not special, first of all, but she chose me as a youth farmer and I'm grateful.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's been good.
Okay, all right. But you ginger them big, man.
Yeah, them pretty.
Oh, them pretty. Big up.
First crop.
Your first crop?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. I love to see young man getting themselves engaged, man. It's a blessing. Yeah. It's a blessing. Oh, I want to put it to you. What advice would you have for young men like yourself?
Just going to farming.
Who said not now go on and want to do something?
Do some farming.
Yeah,
man, it might not be booming at first, but just take your time and eventually you just ride into it.
Can't go wrong with farming too, not true?
Can't go wrong with farming. And food. People need food.
Alright, my bad. Let's go.
Alright, respect.
Yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm at an interesting place. This looks like what they call it, the High Pro Cattle Shed, and I'm gonna be speaking with two representatives from the Ministry of Agriculture. Which division again?
Agriculture and Fisheries. Mineral Estate.
Mineral Estate, Brownstown.
Yeah.
These are some huge cow. A cow, right?
Bull, yeah.
Why different?
Bull is the male.
A female, okay. Yeah, man. So tell me about this. First of all, what's the objective of you being here? First of all,
I'm to showcase these animals.
Showcase the animals?
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me about this one. You look like the man, the handler.
It's a purebred Brahman.
Huh?
It's a purebred Brahman.
Brahman. A purebred?
Yeah, purebred Brahman.
Purebred?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't mix or nothing. Just straight.
Tell me about him, man. Tell me more about
The lion is Manso.
Huh?
The lion is Manso. Yeah, he's 10 years old. And he's weighing, what is that? 1986.
2,000 pounds almost?
Yeah, present weight.
2,000 pounds? That's some serious pound up, man.
Yes, man.
How you manage to get them to that weight?
Feed them.
Huh?
Feed them.
You give them something special, man?
No, back feed them with water and grass.
Wow. So you encourage young people to come into this kind of thing, or you teach people how to do this thing as well?
Because most time we have
we also have the yearly Minard Show, where we feature young farmers.
Okay. So what you do with a bull like this? What do you do with him? 2,000 pound bull here, guys. Serious weight. Everybody here nervously looking at him. What do you do with a bull like this after 2,000 pounds?
After 2,000 pounds. All right. We still use him for breeding purposes.
Okay.
Yes. So we wouldn't finish with this bull as
as
a purebred.
Okay.
Class.
Yeah. Purebred. Top of the class.
Yes, man.
And then so if you go to the female and you get milk and stuff like that, so it's a whole industry.
No, we are actually in the beef. It's not dairy.
Oh, the beef. Yeah. Okay.
You only find a Brahman in the dairy product.
Okay. Serious bull. All right. Thank you very much. Your name is?
Garrett Weir.
Sorry, for the Ministry of Agriculture
and Fisheries, yeah.
What's the division again?
It's Mineral Estate.
Mineral Estate.
Minard.
Oh,
yeah.
Minard, man. I know Minard. Okay, and this is the man who trained the bull.
Yeah, the handler, yeah.
The handler. Pick up yourself. Your name? Byron. All right, guys. Good work. Thank you. This bull now is 2,000 pounds. Let me see. This one now. Wow. Weaning weight 580. Current weight 2022. I don't know what this stuff means, but it does mean that it's a terrible bull. This one? 2,000 pounds? 2,000. Which one is it?
Red pole.
Red pole.
Yeah, Jamaican red.
This is a Jamaica red pole. Okay, okay. And now hold up your milk. Okay. Alright, so this is it. Alright, now hold up your so
You want to be in?
yeah. Alright, so this is the Jamaica.
Jamaican red. Red pole.
Alright, alright, that's good. Alright. You sure? Alright, so we have a petting session here.
Touch him, man.
Petting session.
Alright.
Alright, guys, a little petting. Would you do that? Would you do that? Interesting. Alright, excellent. This is a Red Bull.
Ladies and gentlemen, the day is not over yet.
Alright, and I'm running into another booth here, guys, and this is
Research and Development Division.
who is this? Research and?
Research and Development Division of the month of the Ministry of Agriculture.
Oh, the Ministry of Agriculture. So your ministry is represented here in full 100, huh?
Yes, we are.
Alright, so tell me what you're doing. What is it we have here now?
Alright, so on the table we are promoting the production of clean seed. So here we have our germplasm, sweet potato germplasm. So we currently have 7 varieties here on display. But back at the Borders Research Station, we have 24 different varieties.
Of sweet potato?
Right.
Really?
Right. Yes.
Locally or
some are local and some are imported.
Okay.
Right.
So your goal here is what? To promote what?
Alright, so our role here is to promote our services. This section on the table is geared towards the production of clean planting material, clean seeds, and the use of the single bud technology for the production of ginger and turmeric.
Interesting. So tell me a little, I'm curious now. So tell me a little about this is ginger, and I know ginger and this is turmeric. So tell my viewers about the single bud technology we're talking about now.
Alright, so traditionally farmers tend to plant about quarter pound or even up to half pound of ginger and get one single plant. The single bud technology is about using a single node of ginger or turmeric and get a single plant. So it's about
better yield.
Not only better yield, but in terms of optimizing planting material, right? So instead of one plant from a quarter pound, you can get one plant from a single bud.
All right. How can people access your services or your products that you have here on display?
Okay, so they could get in contact at any of the research stations, the Ministry of Agriculture research stations. There are 5 of us. There's one in Bodle, St. Catherine, the one just up the road at Montpelier, St. James. There's another one in Orange River, St. Mary, one in Hounslow, St. Elizabeth, and one in Top Mountain, St. Anne, right? So we're actually listed in the directory. You can get in touch with research and development.
Okay.
They can also reach Bodle Research Station at 876-983-2267 or Montpelier at 876-605-0998.
Perfect. Thank you, lady and gentlemen. All the best. And is this a pepper as well? Is this pepper I see here?
Yes, it is pepper seed. So we are responsible for the production of West Indian red pepper seeds and seedlings. And
is it the same thing? Is it the same thing as the seed?
No, this is the West Indian red.
Oh, this one?
Right. And this is the Scotch bonnet. So
okay.
Produce both the seeds and the seedlings.
So people want some seed, they can come to you too?
Yes, and our seeds are tested, right, and treated. So as we said, our aim is for the production.
So mean that when it's tested and treated, means no insect can bite it?
Well, insects
okay, you get a better yield.
You're less likely to have your plants coming down with this.
Okay. Alright, which one of these hotter? Because people want to know. Which one of them now? So we're familiar with the Scotch bonnet, but tell me which one of them hotter? The West Indian one or the Scotch bonnet? You don't know.
Right. this
Alright.
one. Go ahead.
So both of its advantages in terms of the Scoville heat units. The Scotch bonnet is hotter. It has a higher Scoville heat unit than the West Indies Red.
Ah, yeah. Okay, perfect. Thank you guys. Thank you for what you do. And all the best. All right? I ran into a lovely lady here, guys, and she's frying, you guess it, man, chicken on the old pot in the, what is it, the old grill stove, a grill stove? The original grill stove with Jamaican fried chicken. That's how we do it with the flour and the what do you call it again? The flour and the egg and all them things. All right, so what's your name?
I'm Kenisha.
Kenisha. And you are providing you're providing energy, you're providing food for everybody here.
Yes.
All right, so tell me about what the products you have here. Apart from the fried chicken.
We have SW fish over there.
And
we have jerk chicken on the pan. And later you will have stew pork. You have chicken and chips.
How the chicken already? What kind of thing that
one?
Oh
my gosh.
Already ready and done.
We have fried potatoes. We have festival. We have chicken neck, chicken foot with cow skin soup. Oh my God.
I want to see the jerk chicken. Come, can we go through with the jerk chicken? We're going to look for the jerk chicken, guys. Let me see. Alright. Fireman, the hot man. A good thing you won't make, man. Alright. Alright, I have to cool it down a little bit. Cool it down a little bit. Alright. Yes, man. That makes sense. Yeah, I go to me come around so kind of burn up in the fire going hard. Alright, so Ronaldo. So that's the jerk chicken. Jerk it up. Alright, jerk chicken, guys. Almost. Spin it over. And at the Montpelier Agricultural Show. Person want to get some of your food or your services or so. How can they reach you? Where can they find you?
At Montpelier's Agricultural Show every year, or the Montpelier Jerk Festival.
Okay, those big events. Those big events.
Yes.
Alright, all the best. Alright, so this now is a beautiful lady here. Your name is?
I am Elsa Plummer.
Elsa Plummer, and this is what is this? A garden?
Amelia's Garden, where we do authentic stuff.
Authentic stuff. And
yes.
The stuff now, the stuff include a lot of flowers and
cactuses, succulents, the old-time Jamaican blue draws. Which is almost finished. This is just left for reserve for somebody that is coming.
Really? So we can't get none?
Yeah, man, I'm going to give you my share.
Alright, I like this.
Also, we have the pink on top.
Pink on top, remember that, guys?
Pink on top, pink on top.
Pink on top, and this is greater cake.
Also
greater cake,
Greater cake, and this is also the gizzarda.
Gizzarda, yes. Alright, so you have food here, and you have flowers. So tell me, this is a beautiful one here. Tell me about that.
Which
one is that?
This one is the marigold, but this is the variegated kind, the hybrid ones.
Okay.
The smaller ones we have, they bloom this one, but this is the hybrid one.
Okay. And you have coconut
oil? And over here, yes, we do our own coconut oil from scratch.
This is
We are all authentic, natural, no preservative around here.
Oh, lovely. Jamaican show for real, guys.
Jamaican
show.
Right from the granny's kitchen.
I like your energy. Alright, so this is coconut.
And also turmeric oil, which you know is very, very good for your skin.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. They have the coconut oil, turmeric,
yes,
the castor oil.
We have the castor oil as well. This is the black castor oil. You know, you put it in your hair, you know, steam it and for a while, and then it helps. And also we have the soap. Yes, we have tomato soap.
Tomato soap?
Yes, man. The good tomato that takes away the spots and all of that kind of thing, you know. Yeah.
Well, I'm so proud of you guys.
Oh, thank you.
This is all natural.
All natural stuff.
Homegrown, homemade
stuff.
Jamaican.
Yes,
products.
man. From the good old granny's kitchen.
I like that. I'm gonna make you talk.
Man, all the old time blue draws.
I'm gonna make you talk me out of the duckonnu. So what one of them?
Alright. Just grab one. Take
one?
Yes,
man.
I'm
not gonna grab it.
Look for the big one,
small one.
medium size one.
Alright, so guys, this is the old blue draws duckonnu. Alright? And this is the banana leaf with the banana tie.
Banana leaf and the tie. Go down a gully in the rain and cut it to the
Look good, not you. Look good.
It tastes good too.
Amelia, you look not bad.
I know. I'm made with love.
Alright, so your little business is kind of every little thing.
Yes,
Flowers.
a combination of every little thing.
Yeah, flowers
All
and
Jamaican.
castor oil and coconut oil and
turmeric oil,
and
lots more soaps.
And of course, and so if persons want to get your products, how can they reach out to you? Because people are watching from all over the world. You know?
I know. Our number is 876-779-6604.
All right.
Amen.
All right. Big up. All the best.
Yes, and also you can go on YouTube and subscribe to Prophetess channel. I see these out there.
All right.
And my movie Kindle the Fire. Please, guys, go on out and show your support. I thank you so much in advance.
I like your style.
Blessings.
All right. Okay. Everything is here, guys. Everything is here, including birds. Pigeons here. These look like ducks under the bottom there. Alright, guys, so this is Mr.
This is Teacher.
Teacher, and I'm all kind of stuff here. Tell me what you have here, Mr. Teacher.
Well, we have, as you can see, we have budgies here. We have lovebirds over there. We have cockatiel. We have cockatiel here. We have marble dove. We have Caribbean dove. We have all assortments. Santa or you name it.
So, and I see is that you have
Oh, this is a blue Flemish, okay?
Rabbit.
Yes.
Yeah, is this the rabbit like over the corner over there?
Yes. Okay.
And some more rabbits here.
And some more rabbits here. We have our local partridge here.
Partridge?
Yes.
Is that the partridge? The partridge in the pear tree?
No, not that one. And we have this is a mixed bird. We mix this with our regular pea dove and our barbel dove.
Okay. So you obviously love bird, man, obviously, right?
Yeah, man. Bird is my middle name. Bird is my middle name.
So you nurture, you grow. I mean, this is your business, basically.
Yes, this is our business. Yes.
This is not the first time here.
No, definitely not.
So you must be happy that the
man, that the COVID is over. We can get back to business, man. Can I tell you, man?
Lovely.
All right.
Lovely. If there's anybody watching who is interested in getting any of your birds or your rabbits or whatever you have here, how can they reach you?
Okay, you can contact me at 3970703. Teacher is the name or bird, man. Whatever one is good for me, man. All right.
Okay, are you based where?
I'm based in Montego Bay.
Based in Montego Bay.
Right.
All right. All the best,
all right.
brother.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy your drink.
You too, man. All right.
All right. So we have a bird here. I can talk apparently, guys. And we can call him my name.
Destiny.
Eh?
Destiny.
Destiny, how you doing? Hi, Destiny. Hello. Let him say something now. Hi, Destiny.
Hello. Hello. She crowd.
Yeah. Oh, maybe the camera. Hi, Destiny.
Hello. That's the real deal there.
That's the real deal. Real deal.
Yeah, man. Real deal.
Real deal. Not talking to them, man. All right. We catch real deal another time. All right. Say bye-bye, real deal. Bye-bye. Now this is interesting, guys. These are some, is it Rastafarian, right? Your ladies are Rastafarians? Rastafarians for life. Rastafari, all right. So you have some unique products here, ladies, and I want to share with my viewers what you have. Tell me about some of the stuff you have here.
We have the cinnamon powder. And you know cinnamon is good for it is good for your porridge. It can put in your cake, your pudding. It also can make a tea.
Alright, so that's the cinnamon powder. So that's
cinnamon.
The leaf. Is that the leaf you powder or the bark?
No, this is made from the bark.
The bark, okay.
The bark of the tree.
Okay,
and
I see.
You reap it, wash it, and you dry it, and then you brown
You
it.
crush it. I see drops here. I see more cinnamon powder.
And we have the coconut charcoal. And this is made from the coconut shell.
Coconut shell?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And this charcoal is good for inflammation, it purifies your water. It's also good if you have poison. Yes, your
household water.
Water that you drink.
Uh-huh.
And it is also good. It's also good for cancer.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, if you poison, food poison, it is good for food poison.
Ah, cool. I see something else of interest.
Jackfruit flour. Here we have the jackfruit flour over here, and this jackfruit flour is made from the jackfruit seed.
This is interesting. That is the jackfruit seed that we normally eat and throw away the seed.
And cook and throw away the seed.
You use it
to make jackfruit flour.
And what do you use? How do you use the flour now?
You will mix the dough. We normally mix the dough with some coconut juice. We mix the dough, or we add.
When you say we, you mean
Rastafarian.
Okay.
Yes. Or we would mix it with the breadfruit flour and the coconut juice.
You have breadfruit flour too?
Breadfruit flour is right here.
Rastafarian.
Breadfruit flour, good old breadfruit.
Oh.
And you know this have no gluten. All it contains
I am
is
so proud of you
yeast.
guys. You know,
all it has is yeast.
No, but you know, Jamaica have breadfruit galore.
Right.
We waste breadfruit.
We waste it.
We take a thing off a dog.
Everything.
But you guys found something interesting. You found a way to turn it into flour.
Right.
And now promoting it. Congratulations. So this is breadfruit flour. But you can use it like any other flour.
We use it to bake, we fry with it, and we cook it. That's like how you would. What it doesn't have any gluten, so it's not tight as the normal flour would be.
It's healthier.
Right.
So beautiful.
So you have less.
Beautiful. And I love your branding. You have a nice little branding.
Rastafarian never grow old.
Yeah. Okay, I see you guys.
If you eat all these products, you won't get old.
You have beautiful skin. I should tell you. It's the products that you use. Eh?
These are all the products that we manufactured and we use them right at St. Leonard's in Westmoreland.
Okay, so this is
the roots tonic.
Roots tonic, okay.
Natural roots tonic. And this is made from natural herbs that we would see in our backyard every day. We have it which is compound with cheney roots, saucy perilla. We have the Medina donkey weed, the duppy gun, and the
all of that. You made this stuff?
We made all
when
these.
When you say we, you mean the
Rastafarian.
Okay, so you and your family.
No, just Rastafarian.
You and the mama, your husband.
No husband. Rasta and I.
Okay, I and
I.
Okay.
Made these products.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Congratulations. That's coconut.
And this is coconut oil. And this coconut oil is made from the coconut that we reap from the farm. So we just reap the coconut, husk the coconut, we grate the coconut with the machine, and we juice the coconut, and we remove and strain, and then we put it to the fire, and we would boil down. This one is made same from this base is coconut oil. And it is made from the natural herbs. So we use the rosemary, the thyme, and we use the yellow duck, little aloe vera. Yes, and we use the beeswax for the hardening.
Wow. Where did you learn to do all of this stuff?
It was an inborn thing.
It was inborn?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
From we were small, we all love natural. We love natural things.
Natural stuff.
Natural things, and we learned other things from Rastafarian in the community.
Okay, all right. Okay, so if persons are interested in your products, I see my friend Chocolate Old Man Chocolate Tate. That's another Rasta man.
How we partner with him.
Mr. Atkinson, the brethren, you know.
This man, it's our brother.
Yes, you know, we did a video on him, you know.
I know his video.
You know his video?
Yeah, man.
You see the video?
Yes, man.
Alright, so guys, if you're watching and you don't see the video, there's a link in the description. We did a special feature on Mr. Atkinson, his old-time chocolate tea.
Yes.
And his sisters here are promoting it as well.
And we have the turmeric and ginger powder. It is good for cleaning the joints. It can make a paste for your skin. It can make a tea. It's good for cancer. It's good. It's an all-purpose thing. Here we have a spice that is made from 19 different herbs.
19 different herbs.
19 different, all natural. We have the parsley, the celery, the turmeric, the cayenne pepper, and we also have black pepper. We also have merengue powder. And we have the good old anato.
You have everything in there. Guys, I want to know right now, guys.
For poor circulation and blood clot, it can make a tea. It's good. It cleans your sinus wall. When you open this spice, it will remove mucus. Right, so you start to see.
Oh, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. All right, guys, I want you to do me a favor right now. This lady, go ahead. Somebody, there's a customer who wants to talk to you. while the customer is speaking to his customer, I want you guys to give this lady a thumbs up right now. I want you to give her a thumbs up right now if you like what she's doing, if you appreciate what she's doing.
So we have the good old castor oil here also.
You have the castor oil.
Yes, and we manufacture all of these.
I noticed the gentleman said he's one of your patients. What does that mean? Do you treat?
We treat. So from our good old herbs.
You offer those service too?
Yes, we offer those service.
Alright, this is awesome. Awesome. So let me ask you, you have all kind of, you have juices as well, I see, but
we have natural juices.
In the interest of time, if persons are interested in your products, Jamaican products, Rastafarian products, whether it's the food, whether it's the ointment, whether it's the spices, whatever it is, how can they reach you?
They can find us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. And we are at St. Leonard's, Westmoreland. Our products, you can find them in Rada Montego Bay, Rada Sablama, Rada Mandeville, Kingston, in Spanish Town.
Oh, awesome. You have a number? Did you give me a number?
We have numbers.
Alright, this is the number. This is the card here.
Yes.
Let's hold it up for me. Let me show that. Let me show you guys. Alright, guys. So these are all the numbers for this. Rastafari never grow old. That's the name of your brand. I want you to give this lady a thumbs up right now. Stop right now and give this lady a thumbs up on the video. A and B. Share this video right now with somebody. This one deserves a forward, right? This is good. I love it. Guys, another beautiful shop here. I see all kind of Jamaican flowers and goodies and stuff potted. All potted. Who is this?
I am Keisha there behind from KDH Wellness.
What is it?
KDH Wellness.
All right. And what do you have on show here today?
We have all manner of different plants, pots, and this is in conjunction with Stacy Dawkins from Plantology and Faith Fairclough Sims from Flowers by Faith.
All right. So take us through some of your products that you have here. Some of your most popular. Are the ones that people definitely should know about?
Absolutely. So you have plants like the pink syngoniums. These are excellent indoor plants.
This one?
This one right here, this beauty. Affordable and easy maintenance. You also have a variety of peperomias. Very lovely for indoors as well, for persons who are interested in low maintenance plants. This is the way to go. If you're looking for colors, you're looking at...
They can keep up to the heat.
Yes.
In downtown Mobile?
Absolutely.
All right.
If you're looking for colors, then you're looking at things like the pink Fittonia. You're looking at this one right here, this one right here. And you're looking for things like the Philodendron Prince of Orange. Now these plants do get big, so you want to make sure that you have the space. And then of course a variety of succulents. Working, known time to water every day. Way to go, and can definitely take the heat.
All right. Over here you have some potted, what you call it? Those.
So you have your little ivies, and these pots are locally made.
All right. So tell me about those pots you have there now.
No, this lovely lady who makes these pots is lingering somewhere on the outside.
Okay. All right. So you're on a team.
But
you're working as a team here.
We work as a team here, you know. But
so these are all locally made.
All locally
There's
made.
There's a name for this kind of stuff here. What do you call them? This kind of creative design. How to make them? What do you call them?
I think the DIYs are things that people just get creative with from home during the COVID. But for us here, it's about bringing all the different types of variety and availability of plants to the western side. So we do importation of plants, so persons who care to find their preferred plant and can't find it here, we will source it, we will get it here. Yes.
All right, so how can people reach you?
So you can...
Hold on, before.
Oh, here she is, this lovely lady for the pots and the aprons. Yes.
All right, so come and tell us, nice lady, about the pots that you have here. Tell us what are the pots, what kind of pots are those?
Okay, so they're cement pots and they're handmade by Marlene Lynch. You can reach her.
Who is Marlene, you?
No, I'm not Marlene. I'm her daughter. You can reach her at 825-4784. Right? So these are her handcrafted.
Okay. I see peppermint here. Jamaican peppermint, that's yours? Okay, you sell those too?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Everything.
Alright.
Plantology, I'm the owner of Plantology. My name is Daisy Thompson Dawkins.
We can be reached at 876 585949.
Okay, and why should people be interested? Why should people choose you to get their plant?
Well, this business offers an entire range of services. We do importations, we do locally grown plants. So all those exotic, hard to get plants,
You find them here.
we bring them in. So we are basically diversifying the plant market.
Okay, beautiful. Is that a what do you call that one again? Orchid, yes. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Exotic plants.
Yeah.
Every type of exotic.
Oh, beautiful. All right, all the best.
Thank you.
All right. I see a lot of pottery here on the ground. I want to talk to him to see what he has here. What are some of the pottery items you have here, my brother?
Well, I have bowl, I have clay pot, planters, you can plant palm in, I have urn pot.
Urn?
Yeah, that's a plant.
What is urn again?
Oh, tall pots.
Oh, the tall ones. Okay.
Those are put inside. And I have orchid pots.
Okay, you have a customer here?
Yep, $1,500 how much? Yeah.
And as the lady asked, so this one is what?
Areca palm.
A palm, okay.
Areca palm.
Areca palm?
Yeah.
Okay.
$1,500.
All right. Lovely. Looking good. Right, so you have all kind of little things here, my brother.
Yeah.
But I'm curious about the pots. So you made these pots?
Sure.
You made them, right here in Jamaica?
Jamaica, right.
That's good. I didn't even know people still do these things here.
What?
Huh?
St. Elizabeth.
In St. Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Big up Senti.
That's my living.
$1,000. You made this, and this is clay you use? Or?
Clay.
Yeah.
Just clay work.
So this is dedicated. We have to come and check you out, man. We're going to come and check you out at a later date. But big up yourself from what you're doing.
Okay.
For what you're doing. All the best. I wish you were. If somebody wants to reach you, to buy any of your products, how can they get in touch with you?
Okay. I on WhatsApp, YouTube, and I have a business card. My phone number on the business card is 425
876.
No, 425 6366.
Okay, but you know, it's Jamaica, so you put the 876 first.
Yeah, you put the
876.
Yeah. 425 6366.
And what's your name?
My name is Isaiah.
Mr. Isaiah from the Bible.
Right.
Pick up yourself. Good work, man, here, man. This is solid stuff. This is interesting stuff, man. I love it. Guys, we're going to check him out a little later date, so look forward to the video.
Okay.
All right, guys, so I ran into my daughter's first teacher, Auntie Caronia. You remember her from the video with my daughter. That did very well in CSEC. This is Auntie Caronia, and she's in a different kind of business. She's in plants and ornamental stuff. The name of the business is Plant
Verbena Sensational.
Oh, okay.
Verbena Sensational.
Verbena Sensational. Tell me a little about what you do and what are the products you have here.
Okay, so today we're partnering with the Agricultural Show. So we featured orchids today. We had orchids, we had cactus, succulents, we had other indoor plants like the famous black ZZ, plants that are of course the rubber plant, and we had alocasias and some of the plants, of course, you know, the cactus and the succulents.
Okay.
Cactus and the rubber plants.
You sound very knowledgeable about these things, man. You said the famous something. What was the famous one you said?
The alocasia. Look at this one. The alocasia.
Why is that one famous?
And because this one is fairly new.
Okay.
Fairly new. And the black ZZ, which helps to purify the air. So you can have this in your house.
Oh, beautiful. All right, all the best. Oh, you have more?
You know that you can have your cactus on your desk. We can do desk buddies for you. So you can have this to help to pull the radiation from you, block the radiation from coming to you.
All right, good.
Yes.
All right, do you have a contact if a person wants to get in?
Sure, you can contact me on Instagram at verbena_sensational_ or 817-5917. And we're located in Montego Bay, Unity Hall.
All right. So guys, we ran into an interesting venture here. This is Seven Rivers Tourism Cluster, a bunch of different businesses.
Supporting businesses. For community development.
All right, here the gentleman in the background there. The lady showing me the shirt as well. the gentleman here boasting off what they're doing. So tell me, okay, so so all interest. So this is okay. So this is first of all, then you guys do all kind of something, but you have different people.
Yeah, man. This is what I do.
This is what you do. All right. So what is this?
This is an eagle.
An eagle?
Yeah, it's an eagle. One in the fold, you know.
Oh, and grab a chicken.
Yeah, just grab a chicken. Yeah.
And you designed this?
I designed it.
So who is it? Who am I talking?
I'm Rodney.
Mr. Rodney?
Yes.
And you're the artist?
I'm the artist.
And which one of the brands you work with?
I came here with Mr. Murray. You know?
Mr. Murray.
Yeah.
Which one of the brand there?
Seven Rivers Tourism.
Seven Rivers Tourism. So okay, good. So this is lovely.
I'm the wood carver.
It's a wood carver.
Yeah,
this is awesome stuff. And you have a little dog here, huh?
So you need a breadfruit leaf bowl or any type of different. The lion, the eagles are such forth. You can.
You do all of them stuff?
Yeah, I do all of them.
All right. So all of this roll up to this gentleman here. So tell me about the project that you have here, man.
What happened is that I work with this project up to 2018. The project was completely closed. And I went to the international conference in Montego Bay in December 2018. And speaker after speaker complained the Jamaican tourism product is not benefiting the average person in Jamaica. And I couldn't understand why they were saying that. But what they were basically saying is that the people who are in tourism in Jamaica, they make the money, so it's plantation life all over. And then I said, okay, fine, what can I do? I said, well, community tourism. So the wood carver, the hairdresser, the carpenter, the farmer, I mean, the bed and breakfast. Instead of going to Montego Bay, let's do it right at Seven Rivers.
Wonderful. Seven Rivers is where now?
Seven Rivers is roughly 4 to 5 kilometers up the road, straight across from the shore ground. So you turn
in
right.
Montpelier here?
Yes, just outside of Montpelier.
So all of these stuff you promote here. So I see a restaurant here.
The Tiger's Caribbean restaurant is out the front there.
Yes. That's the old pot. The old pot.
No, the one on the left hand side, beside
side.
the gas station.
Okay.
Plum Blossom Bed and Breakfast. That's up on the Seven Rivers Road. Stonehenge Pineapple it's up in Stonehenge. And they have a pineapple festival every year. Retrieve, Case, Branch, and they make pillows and that in Cambridge. Sue Care's Day Spa, she's here, and she says beauty begins here, and she'll give you a massage right now. Cambridge Wood Carvers have just spoken to them.
That's a gentleman there.
Catadupa Heritage, where Sham Sharp was born.
I was there the other day.
Yes. So, Palmvale Bed and Breakfast over in Ramble. Seaford Town Community Tour, where we can really enjoy German style roasted pork, suckling pig, and a beer. Greenfield, the horticulturist does here. Mr. Palm, we call him. Seven Rivers Farmers Group. You can see the huge bunch of bananas that they produce.
A huge banana here, guys.
And plantains. Seven Rivers Attractions, that's my own personal
brand.
Where we can. So we can camp, we can kayak, we have a cave tour, and we have ornamental fishing.
We have to talk, man.
Right? So,
we have to talk.
So you can come fish, have your fish prepared for you, and if you have never caught a fish, we'll make you catch one.
Man, you're awesome. So, so what inspired, you said that was what the inspiration at the meeting, you said?
At the tourism meeting that was in Montego Bay.
I want to salute. Guys, give this man a thumbs up. This man, what's your name?
Alvin Murray.
Mr. Murray. Big up Mr. Murray. A visionary, I would call you.
And we are on the edge of Hanover. That's not get a lot of service from Lucy. We're too far. We're near to Montego Bay.
Wonderful.
But we are trying to keep things together so everybody can benefit.
We need more people like you.
Working on it.
Big up yourself, big up yourself. All the best, Mr.
Yeah, man.
Good. There's a huge banana here.
Produced by Mr. Paul Hibbert.
Mr. Hibbert.
He's the leader of the Seven Rivers Farmers Group.
Whoa, this is like how many hands is that? Like 15 hands?
15 hands, yeah.
15 hands, that's some serious banana this.
And they're nice and really nice to eat.
Whoa. Wow, this is awesome stuff. Well done, man. Alright guys, and just before we go, we have one more treat for you. This lady,
my name is Portia.
Ms Portia, she saw me on YouTube and watch one of the video?
The one about the black sapota. Here it is.
And guess what? She have the black sapota too. Awful looking fruit, but it's good. Alright, she has roots here, and she has root stuff, and she has juice, so she's gonna make one for me right now.
What would you like? Would you like a blended fruit punch? Would you like one of the nuts and grains?
Nuts and grains all the time. but the juice is ready. It's ready, and this is a power punch.
Power punch.
And this is Ms
Portia.
Ms Portia. Ms Portia.
My name is Portia.
Ms Portia. Thank you, thank you. Look good, guys. That's you. Come on, man. Give her a thumbs up. Look good. Look. All right, see a thumbs up. I come here. Look at baby. Nice,
I'm
nice.
going to show you a style. That's our Jamaican style. Let me show you.
All right, the Jamaican style. I want to see that. All right.
Yes, this is our Jamaican style. And this is something I've picked up over the years. You see with these tush fancy covers, you go like this and everything throws away. So we just come up with a little style. Now we do it like this.
And nothing no waste.
And nothing no waste.
Nothing no waste, nothing in that way. Alright, that's it guys, that's it. Alright, so if the people want to reach you, how they contact you, miss?
Alright, so my name is Portia. I'm by the Freeport. That's where the call centers are. You just come around, not to the big wharf, but to the little wharf where the cement factory is, and come all the way up where the restaurants are.
Give me your phone number quickly.
My telephone number is 876-504-9562.
Are you on Instagram?
Yes, I am. Hot Wraps and Blend Up.
Alright.
Just look for us.
Love that. That's
and
it.
if you want the wraps, they're up there.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Great way to close, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so
very
much.
And all the best for the channel. We love it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's it, guys. The Montpelier Agricultural Show highlights. What were the highlights for you? I'd love to hear. Go ahead and share a comment and let us know. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. I call it a real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll still be getting all my latest videos.